the 1802 Grand Central service to Bradford Interchange. Call it Wakefield Kirkgate, Murfield, Brighouse, Halifax, Lowmore, and Bradford Interchange. This train has 5 and London King's Cross. This train has 10 coaches. First class accommodation is available on the train. Platform 8 from the 1818 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. Will be the 1821 Northern service to Sheffield, calling it Meadowhall and short platforms. If you are travelling to this train has 3 coaches.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
First-class accommodation is at the front of the train. The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1835 Northern service to Sheffield, calling it Conisbrough, Mexborough, Swinton, Rotherham Central, Meadowhall and Sheffield. This train has 2 coaches. Of the 1827 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross, Earlham, Birchwood, Warrington Central, Liverpool South. Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Line Street. Platform 4 from the 1843 LNER service to Leeds. Wakefield Westgate and Leeds. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train. Service to Adwick, calling it Bentley and Adwick. This train has 2 coaches. The next train to arrive at platform 3A is the 1827 Your attention please. There has been a platform change for the 1859 cross-country service to York. It will now leave from platform 8 cross-country service to York. Call it York only. This train has 4 coaches. First class accommodation is at the heart of the train. Platform 8 for the 1859 cross-country service to York. Platform 0 for the 1905 northern service to York. Kirk Sandal, Hatfield and Stapleton, Thorn North and Poole. This train has 2 coaches. Your attention please. Service to Hull.
Please stand back from the platform edge, behind the yellow line, until the train has come to a complete stop.